Hello, friends. Welcome in. This is Victoria. I wanted to come and show you really quickly what is in this bag. I stopped by my local store today and I picked out this bag that I've been wanting. This is the Barrel Kisslock bag. So I picked her up today. I was torn on what color to get. I wanted to get the black pebble leather one, but I ended up with a suede. I'll show her to you in 2 seconds. But before I did that, I just wanted to really just introduce myself if you've never seen me before. This is a handbag channel, mostly contemporary bags, especially Coach bags. I am into Coach very much. I love their products. I love their handbags, all of the styles and designs that we get, and more especially their price point. So Coach, a lot of Coach products. I own a ton of Coach bags. I'll also be showing you some contemporary, other contemporary brands at times, and some luxury as well. With all of that out of the way, let me show you what this bag looks like. Oh, she's so pretty. This is her dust bag. Ugh, she's so nice. So again, I was very torn. I wanted to get I went in to get a large size. I wanted the large in the black. They did not have the large one in the store. They had the Kisslock 28 in the store in the black. That bag is so pretty, but of course I wanted a bigger bag. But you know, I got the suede. This is the chocolate color. She is stunning. And this bag is so soft, my friends, when I tell you. She is soft and squishy. This Kisslock pocket is fairly deep. I'm sure you know. I feel like my AirPod's gonna fit in here, and just hair ties, things like that. I'm just gonna throw in here. Inside pocket here is lining leather, so that's very nice. And that is so good. I love these Kisslock bags. So nice. So nice. I love that snap. And this is not a review. I will do a review on this bag, my friends. But she's got that zip on the top. I was looking through this bag earlier. Inside is she's linen lined. She is quite a large bag. There is a back pocket that's a snap with a snap here in the back. This is a really good size. This handle drop on the interior of the strap is leather, and of course the outside part is suede. That's so nice. I love that. So cool. See, she's so pretty, guys. She is so nice. Yeah, this was their runway bag, and right after the runway show, they had sold the bags that were on the runway. I missed out. I tried to get one and I didn't. And then this was released. This was in March, right? I don't remember, but yeah, I just went to the store today. I've been wanting to pick this out up for a while now. Again, I wanted it in leather, and but you know, I love the suede. I may get the black one. Yeah, so love it. They had the black one in the store, but it was the size 28. That bag is so pretty, but I wanted the larger size. And when my SA checked online, Coach.com was sold out of the black, the large black one. So I will get the black one when it comes back in stock with Coach. But I love this one. You're gonna see her as my bag of the day. Who knows? Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. And that's it, friends. I just wanted to come and do this quick reveal. Show her to you. She is stunning. Coach is everything, my friends. I love this brand. Look how amazing this bag is. I love it so much. And that's it. I will be doing a review and on this bag and of what fits. Okay. Thank you so much for spending time with me. If you like the video, please subscribe. I would love to have you. I'm pretty sure you'll love it here. All right. And again, I do have a playlist of my handbag collection. I will link it to this video. If you don't mind, please check it out. All right. Thank you. All right. Bye-bye.